Welcome to Introduction to Aflac Products. This is Joaquin Davila, District Sales Coordinator here in Houston, Texas. Over the next few minutes, we're going to be covering the products that Aflac has available to its clients. Confidential and proprietary, for internal use only, do not distribute. These materials contain proprietary information and material that is owned by Aflac and or its licensors and is protected by applicable intellectual property and other laws, including but not limited to copyright. By accessing these materials, you agree that you will not use such proprietary information or materials in any way whatsoever except for the sole purpose of training and development within Aflac's field force. You further agree not to modify, loan, sell, distribute, or create derivative works based on these materials. Any use not specifically permitted herein is strictly prohibited and may subject to civil and criminal penalties, including possible monetary damages and termination of your agreement with Aflac.
Do you have enough cash to protect you and your family in the event of an illness or injury? Do you have a safety net? This is major medical insurance. We all know that it's something our family shouldn't live without. If something unfortunate happens, it helps cover most of our medical expenses like our doctor's bills or prescriptions. But while you're focusing on getting better, who's helping with the other expenses in your life? The important things, the things your family needs and cares about.
Aflac!
Aflac helps pick up where major medical leaves off, and it helps cover the expenses that matter most. Aflac knows it's hard to go without cash, even for a short period of time. That's why it pays you cash quickly. You can use the cash to help with essential things like your mortgage, your groceries, or you can use it to help with unexpected costs like transportation to the doctor or childcare while you're trying to get well. Aflac offers a wide range of policies that fit most budgets. So if something like this happens, you can protect things like this and help provide your family with a safety net. Get Aflac in addition to your major medical and let them work together to help protect your family. Aflac, provide a safety net for your family.
The question comes up, what is Aflac and how can Aflac help its customers? Well, Aflac is different than health insurance. It's insurance for daily living. Major medical pays for doctors, hospitals, and prescriptions. Aflac is insurance for daily living. Aflac is a solution for help with financial protection and added security. Aflac also pays benefits to use as policyholders see fit. The Aflac policy belongs to the policyholder, not their employer. And Aflac is also affordable. The claims process is quick, normally paying out within 4 to 10 business days. Aflac claims are designed to be easy file. Aflac pays benefits even when you're healthy. We want our customers to be healthy. That's why we promote preventative care. Many of our policies offer a wellness benefit for things like a routine physical, mammogram, or even a simple dental exam. To summarize it, what Aflac is it keeps a bad situation from getting worse. We don't pay the doctor, we don't pay the hospital, we insure your way of life. We have 3 major product categories. As you can see here, we have supplemental, catastrophic, and straight line. The supplemental category is pretty self-explanatory. The purpose of this coverage is to supplement and improve on existing coverage, typically major medical. Catastrophic. This category covers a multitude of major medical issues and is typically a very emotional sell. Products in this category can at times be uncomfortable to sell, but it is an important category, one that lends itself well to being sold through stories. Straight line. This includes many products once considered part of a standard benefits package. As medical costs have climbed, many employers have cut coverage in order to save money. This group of products allows employers to offer sought-after benefits with little to no cost to them. Under our supplemental category, we have our accident policy and our hospital confinement indemnity policy, which help because health insurance doesn't always cover everything. Often an insured will have a loss of income, will have to make co-payments, pay out-of-pocket expenses, or come up with cash for services not covered by major medical insurance plans. Aflac insurance policies pay cash benefits direct to the insured. The insured can use the cash benefits as they see fit. In our catastrophic category, we have our cancer specified disease policy, critical care and recovery, or otherwise known as specified health event policy, which help cover some expenses related to major illness or disease. This is an emotional sell and is credited for saving more homes than any other Aflac policy. In our straight line category, we have dental policies, life, vision, and short-term disability policies, which at one point were once considered a standard part of a company's benefit package and are now oftentimes left out due to cost issues. These products have no mandatory participation thresholds and are a great option for employers who want to provide a robust benefit package with little to no cost to the employer. Aflac stands in a league of its own. As follows are a few of Aflac's competitive advantages. First off, Aflac is outstanding in the claims service, with most claims being processed within 4 to 10 business days. Aflac is unmatched in customer service, ranked #1 in claim satisfaction against its main competitors. Aflac consistently pays out more claims than any other competitor. Coverage is guaranteed renewable. Benefits are paid directly to the insured. Each individual policy is portable. Benefits are paid regardless of other insurance. As I mentioned earlier, we stand in a league of our own. As you can see, we are #1 in every single category behind or in front of Allstate, Colonial, and Unum. Aflac is #1 in the voluntary worksite benefits with 26.9% of the market share. Aflac has more market share than the next 4 competitors combined. Aflac also enjoys top positions in virtually all products. Accident, #1. Short-term disability, #1. Hospital indemnity, #1. Cancer, #1. Critical illness, #1. And dental, #3. The main focus of our product training is to get the new associates selling as quickly as possible. Let's take a look at each step. First, by watching the product videos, the new associate will get a brief introduction into each product and the main needs they are filling. By pairing the product overview videos with the product tip sheets, new associates will have a general understanding of each product, as well as some of the key selling points and how to address some common objections. Second, the next step in the process is to move on to product brochures and the e-learning modules. These approaches are more detailed and predominantly focus on product coverage and details. This detailed information is important as associates move on to more complex sales situations. The final step of the process is to get familiar with the product administrative guidelines and further the depth of their product knowledge. Administrative guidelines are the state-specific and will teach you the ins and outs of each product. Administrative guidelines are extremely useful, but it is important they are not the focus of your training too early. The main focus needs to be on how to sell the products. The product videos are a key element to the product learning process, as they quickly describe each product and the needs they satisfy. These are available through the intranet and can be viewed at any time. Product brochures are a great resource to use in order to expand your product knowledge. They highlight some of the optional coverage available by a product and get more detailed than the product videos and tip sheets. Brochures can be used when meeting with prospects, but it is important you are comfortable with the brochure and know what points you want to reference. As an associate starts to get more familiar with the products, they typically will start being involved in sales situations which are more complicated than when they first started. As the deals become more complex, having a strong grasp of the products and what roles they can fill is pivotal in establishing credibility with the prospect. The e-learning modules are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and will cover product benefits as well as available riders and product specifics. The Product Administrative Guidelines are one of the most detailed product documents available at AFLAC. They will include detailed information around optional riders and coverage. They can be used as a reference guide and a way to look up product specifics, but they should not be the main focus of product training. The focus needs to be around getting enough product knowledge to start selling as quickly as possible. Team, thank you for the time you have given me today. Please take advantage of these tools that AFLAC has given us. Have a great day and happy selling.